A woman is in custody and could face charges tonight in a hit and run that left a road worker dead today.
This happened in the Northland on Berry Road. Fox 4's Malik Jackson's live near the scene now. Berry Road and North Boardwalk. Malik, some video from a gas station nearby really helped police solve this.
You're exactly correct, Lauren. The gas station that is right next to me, just out of frame, proved very instrumental in helping police get someone in custody quickly. And tonight, that person is being questioned by police. Here is where this tragedy happened. Behind me, my photojournalist Adam Wilson's going to zoom in on that for you. But at this hour, many questions still remain.
She was trying to hurry and get around everybody, and unfortunately she clipped him.
A driver going too fast, according to witnesses, now behind bars as this police investigation intensifies. It was near the lunch hour here at Berry Road and North Boardwalk when a gentleman Rodas had known for 20 years was working. The area, according to Rodas, was coned off and the proper precautions were taken. But that didn't stop the eventual tragedy.
He was a very likable gentleman. I mean, he's nice, laid back, and he shoveled asphalt for a living. You know, he didn't deserve this. It's very devastating. I mean, he went to work this morning expecting to come home.
The driver then took off, but video provided to police and their investigative work led them to this driver shortly after the accident.
That is totally unacceptable. I mean, yes, everybody messes up. You know, you got to face the consequences. She knew she did it.
Yeah, this sad, this not good.
The store clerk where police retrieved the video says that from what he saw on the clip, the driver was going too fast. And of course, KCPD is still investigating what happened here today, but also on site is OSHA, and they have launched an investigation. As far as next steps, well, it'll be up to the prosecutor's office to see what they do, and we will await charges. And when that happens, we will bring that to you. Lauren.